in Houston at the 2017 Automation Fair event. The top companies in industrial automation are showing off their best technologies. I'm Teresa Hauk, executive editor of the journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. One of those top companies is MTS, and I'm here talking with Matt. So Matt, for those who don't know, tell us what your company does.
Yeah, thanks, Teresa. Yeah, at MTS, we're the pioneers of magnetostrictive Temposonics linear position sensing technology. We've been doing this for decades, making linear position sensors for a variety of applications, manufacturing equipment, off-highway vehicles, as well as liquid level gauge applications. And we provide customers with sensors that they then design and operate machinery with better productivity and safety.
And I know you guys are an Encompass product partner with Rockwell Automation, so what does that mean for your customers?
Yeah, for our customers, that means they can be assured that our products will work well with the Encompass Rockwell products. And also it makes it easier for them to find the best sensor solutions from MTS.
That's so important. Now I know you're getting some good attendance here in your booth. What are you highlighting and what are people excited about?
Yeah, we're featuring a number of new products. We have our new launch of the R-Series 5, which is our flagship industrial linear position sensor. This is now offering some new smart manufacturing technology for diagnostics that we log on the sensor, and we're reporting through wireless devices through our TempoLink interface, so a very exciting new product. We also have some new hazardous area products. Our T-Series is a SIL2 safety rated product that also is explosion proof rated for hazardous area. And we have Ethernet IP for device level ring for better robustness in networks, as well as EDS add-on profiles for easy integration with Rockwell products.
Well, I can see why you're excited and why users would be too. So go to the URL you see on the screen and find out how MTS might be able to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.